Yeah. What are you making?
We're making a falafel, house-made.
Perfect.
Yeah, just like that.
Jay's Falafel, tonight's pre-starter for everybody coming in. Great texture, nice coriander, eh? Perfect. Everything that comes in here is fresh, so the fish never is the right size or the same size. Where a frozen fish, you can tell it from a mile away because it looks perfectly cut, comes on your plate, and it's perfectly filleted fish. At the moment, we've got some cumin and coriander roasted. And we are gonna roast big batches of this up. When you're roasting the cumin and coriander seeds, it really brings out the flavor. And then we're gonna crush them. And that's what we use. Cumin and coriander in our kitchen is like salt and pepper. We use it in everywhere. I guess some of the ingredients I learned in Moroccan cooking, one of the key ingredients is cumin, coriander, olives, and black pepper. Jay just got chili sauce in his eye. It's not funny, but it's definitely camera worthy.
Burning. Just letting you know, don't try that at home.
Such a trooper.
Tell us a bit about the lemon juice.
It's lemon juice. What was I meant to say about it?
What do you do when life gives you lemons, Dylan?
Make lemonade.
Okay.
A little bit of computer problems going on here. Printer in the till is scrambling up. We're not getting the dockets. We're going back to the old style, handwritten dockets. But I'm gonna fix the problem. Dylan, so the good young chef we have here is Dylan. He's been with us for 2 years now. This is the year he's making it all happen. We're gonna make quick and easy sweet potato and chili soup, Randaddy style. Oil, dry chilies, ginger, garlic, lemongrass, onions. Fresh coriander going in, soup going up. Kenny, take it out. We're about to make a quick phone call here, talking to a chef that lives in Italy, see if we can get him down to Randaddy's La Hinch. Good morning. This is Andy. He's been following our Facebook page for the last few years.
Yeah.
He's from Malaysia. He's living in Galway. And in the next couple of weeks, Andy's gonna come in. We're gonna exchange a few ideas, get some new ideas going in Randaddy's, and we're gonna give Andy some new ideas. This is what chefing's all about. Can't wait. You probably chopped enough soon though, yeah? I remember when Dan first started a couple weeks ago, his knife skills weren't up to scratch at all. Now you can see he's firing through the mushrooms. I think what I always say to him is you have to remember, you might be going slow at the start, but in 2 weeks time from now, you'll double over in your time and everything gets a lot easier. He's definitely a guy that's listening.
Clear?
It's Saturday, we're at the point where it is 4 o'clock in the day, we're getting near the end of the rush, it's sunny outside, and tonight we have 65 booked in, so we want to turn these covers and maximize the time right now.